Hello and welcome back to another update for the Vallow Daybell case for October 20th of 2020. Two pieces of news to go over today. First of all, John Pryor has filed a motion, well actually it's a stipulation, meaning that he and Wood have agreed to this, to delay the motion to dismiss hearing that was scheduled for October 29th, and now it's going to be held on the 24th. So let's go over this filing. What he says is, come now, the defendant, by and through his attorney of record, John Pryor, and Fremont County Special Prosecutor Rob Wood, and do stipulate that the motion to dismiss hearing that's scheduled for October 29, 2020 be reset. The basis and reason for the stipulation is because the parties just recently received the preliminary hearing transcript and additional time is needed to review said transcript and prepare the respective briefs. So that's very straightforward. We knew that they were waiting for this transcript of the hearings, and both parties now want more time to review it. So that's, not a big deal. Here on the second page, we have the actual order by Judge Stephen Boyce. It says, it is hereby ordered that the hearing on defendant's hearing on the motion to dismiss, scheduled for October 29th, 2020, is hereby reset to November 24th, 2020 at 9 a.m. Looking at Chad's pretrial schedule, we do know that there was a motion for change of venue that's already scheduled for the 24th, so they're just moving these to combine them to that date. Now, on the 29th, there was a second motion hearing scheduled at 10 a.m. after the motion to dismiss. This has not been specified as to which hearing that is. Some have speculated that it is the motion for joinder hearing. We don't know that. We don't know if that hearing is just off the table now, or if it will be held on the 29th, so I'll do some digging, see what I can find out. But as always, just stay tuned here, and I will let you know as soon as I know anything about that. In other news, yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of Tammy Daybell's death. It's hard to imagine that it's only been a year. It feels like we've been looking at this case for a decade. I can only imagine how the family must feel about this anniversary. Feels like it's been a lifetime for us, and we're not even directly involved. So I wanted to take a minute to remember Tammy on this day. She is truly a victim in all of this. Now, we do not know how she died. She may have died of natural causes, although that doesn't seem very likely to me, but her death is under investigation still. However, Nate Eaton had a story yesterday and released some information that a new foundation has been born. The Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation has been created to give children the opportunity to love the written word. Tammy's siblings and parents announced the creation of the Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation in order to honor her legacy of service and love of literacy. Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation. Here's their mission statement. As family and friends of Tammy Douglas Daybell, we are pleased to announce a foundation has been established in her name to honor her legacy of service and love of literacy. The mission of the Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation is to give children the opportunity to love the written word. The foundation has been established as a nonprofit organization and has been granted 501c3 status, but is not able to accept donations at this time. You may follow their progress as they seek to honor Tammy's legacy at the following websites. This is their main website, TammyDaybellFoundation.com. Links will be in the description. They also have a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account, so I'll have all of those links for you. I think this is a wonderful thing. They'll also put a link to Nate Eaton's report, so you can check it out on his website, eastidahonews.com. So there you go. It is quite wonderful to see something positive coming out of the horror that has been this case all around. Now, Tammy's death is still being investigated. Investigators announced in April of this year that they were looking at Chad and Lori for murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and attempted murder. No resolution has been had in that yet, and her autopsy results have still not been released, so there still may be some charges coming for that, and they just have not finished their investigation. So unfortunately, we still have to be patient with that. I know it's rough, but we gotta let the prosecutors do what they need to do so they can secure convictions that cannot be overturned on appeal. So all of the links for everything that you need to know today are in the description below. I don't know what's going to happen on the 29th. I don't know if there will be any other motions or it's just nothing until the November 24th, but I will let you know as soon as I know. And stay tuned to the channel. Please hit the notification bell so that if there is a hearing and I do come live, you'll be able to see it and you won't miss it. So until then, take care, thank you for watching, and stick around for all the news on the Vallow Daybell case. Bye for now.